What's up, 2Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like the video, subscribe, and show channel some love. I'm 2Fly B, and today I have another video for y'all today. This is a little different. This is my first time doing a cologne video. We finna do a review on, let y'all know, put the fellas on. You know, gang members, we gotta be fresh, bro. You know, 2Fly fam, we gotta be fresh. All the fellas, I know we got men and women in the 2Fly fam, but this video gonna be to put the fellas on, but even the ladies, you know, if you want your man smelling better, I got you. Let's review this cologne real quick. All right, 2Fly fam, getting right into the box. We're about to review some Tom Ford cologne. As y'all see by the front, this is the Tom Ford Confabulous. You know, we gotta keep this channel PG-13, you know. Now, this is the Aqua de Parfum, 100 milliliter. Some people don't know what Aqua de Parfum and the Toilette is. The Toilette, hold on, let me come back so y'all can see me. I'm gonna break down the Aqua de Parfum and the Toilette, the difference between them. Aqua de Parfum costs more. You get less for the amount. With Toilette, you can get more of this, but it'll cost less. With Aqua de Parfum, you get less amount, but it costs more. And the reasoning behind it is the Toilette, you have to spray multiple times for it to last. With the Aqua de Parfum, it stays longer with fewer sprays. Although nowadays, no cologne really lasts a long time. It's some out there they say they do, but over time, you know, it still goes away. But with Aqua de Parfums, they're better than Toilettes because they last longer. So the quality of it is better. Even though it's the same, it could be the same cologne, and that's with cologne and perfumes for ladies as well. But the Aqua de Parfum lasts longer than the Toilette. All right, y'all. So get into this box. 360 real quick. Shows y'all the top, bottom like that. But this is a nice, unique box, which is why I kept it. So this cologne, you open it like this, and you take the cologne out. And here, you can just keep this up like this. You see? So I kept this box. I like this box. This is the box it came in. Like, it was the whole thing. This was just wrapped up when it got delivered to my house. It was wrapped up in plastic. So I had to take the plastic off, and this is the actual box. All right, y'all. So now this is the cologne. Look at the bottle. Nice matte black. It is a fingerprint magnet. Like, if your hands are a little greasy, got some lotion on. The top of it says Tom Ford. The front of it says Tom Ford Confabulous. Just like the front, Aqua de Parfum, 100 milliliter. And the bottom, just show you what's going on again. I like this. This is how you, so this goes around. This is how it will look. You move it around. Take this off, top. And this is the cologne. Man, fellas, you know, we grown now. You grown, you want to start smelling like a grown man. You want to smell good. You want the ladies. You know what I'm saying? You just can't be fresh, fellas. I'm telling y'all right now, fellas out here, you can't just be fresh. You got to make sure your hygiene's up to par, and you got to make sure you smell good. Girls want you to smell good, bro. Like, women want to smell you. They want to smell you. They want to know your presence. Like, you been here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this smell like my man. My man. You feel me? Come on, man. Get some cologne. That's going to leave a good impression. Leave something good to smell behind. You know what I'm saying? When I mess with my ladies, bro, like, and I lead them, I want them to still smell me. You know what I'm saying? What Lil Durk say? Ain't no covering on my cologne. She got to go change her panties. No cap with anything I got. Oh, yeah, you going to know she been with me. You know she been with 2Fly. You know it. Hey, man, I smell great. Like, I know I look good, but I smell even better than I look. If you can believe me. You feel me? Anyway, y'all, this smells good. I would recommend this. This is my, honestly though, y'all, this is my first and last one by Tom Ford. Tom Ford have some other nice scents as well. But for the price I paid, this is my first cologne where I spent some real money. This is my first grown man cologne. Now that I know better, I've been in the game a little bit longer, I won't do this on Tom Ford anymore. Like, you know, when you get into cologne, fellas, you got to find your niche cologne. Like, stop buying, well, I would recommend, I know designers have nice smelling colognes, but get a niche brand. A niche brand cologne would be something like Baccarat. It would be something like Creed. It would be something like, these are brands that they sole purpose is to make colognes, make perfumes. Tom Ford, this is the clothing designer. You know what I'm saying? That they just have cologne. Yes, it smells good, but this is not a niche brand for cologne. My fault, 2Fly fam. Camera just died in the middle of me recording. It's my 7th video for today. So it's all good. Let's get back into the video. Alright, so as I was saying before the camera died, is that if you're going to be looking to get different fragrances. I recommend, if you want fragrances, man, y'all want good fragrances that's good, I say go at the niche brands that sell fragrances. Like I was saying, Tom Ford, yes, they have a fragrance, but they sole purpose is not fragrances. They sole purpose is apparel and accessories, and they just have a fragrance. Especially for the price point, I paid $550 for this cologne. Yes, but it is good. Like, I'm not gonna cap, it is good, but I would just not do it again, because now I just buy niche brands for my fragrances. Niche brand fragrances would be like Mason Francis, would be like Creed. Another one is like Bon No. 9. Those are niche brand fragrances. You feel me? Designer brand fragrances are expensive as well. But I just feel like if you're gonna be paying these price points, you might as well get a fragrance from a niche brand. Now, back into this cologne real quick. Let's talk about the scent. The scent of this is different. Tom Ford is a leather fragrance. They sell lots of unisex fragrances. The keynotes in this fragrance is leather, Tonka bean, and sage. When you take the top off, I'm not gonna cap y'all. When I took the top off and I was at the counter talking to the lady, I didn't plan on buying this cologne. But when she wrung it out, she gave it to me, she put it on the little, you know, she sprayed it so I can smell it. When I tell you, the only thing I smelled, like to describe the scent that I smelled, was this name. And I was like, oh, it makes sense now how this fragrance got the name. I tell you, the scent is literally just fabulous. Man, it's like so refreshing. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but without just saying, like, it's a well put together scent, bro. Like, this is a well put together scent. It smells really good. Like, it's very refreshing. It's good to the nose. It's like a breath of fresh air. It just smells good, bro. Like, man, people, you walk past people, they just go, who is that? What he got on? He smell good. I'm telling you, bro. Not gonna cap. Now, do I think it's worth the price point of $550? That's tough for me. You know, I would say, now that I know better, I would say no, because if I'm gonna spend that money, I spend that money, me personally, on either Creed or Bon No. 9. Creed is my ultimate favorite cologne right now. Bon No. 9 is neck to neck, but I don't have any Bon No. 9 fragrances yet. Not yet. Oh, they come in due time, very sure. But stay tuned, because my Creed, I got a couple bottles of that, and I'm gonna do some reviews on that one. But right now, Creed, the brand Creed, is my favorite niche brand for fragrances, and I would spend this money on that. And like I said, some Bon No. 9 fragrances I didn't smell, they smell great, so I want to spend my money on that. You feel me? But this Tom Ford here smells great. Highly recommend. I say get into a store, man. Get into a store, get to a fragrance counter, smell this scent. Ask to smell this by Tom Ford. And come back to this video. Let me know what you think about it. If you already smelled this, if you had this, if you have this, if you know somebody with this, let me know. What do you think about the scent? Is this something that you would like? Is something you would buy? If you smell it, let me know if it's something that you would spend your money on. Is this something that you would like to spend your money on? Last time looking at the bottle, the box here, let's go ahead and put it in the box. And this here right here smells great though, not gonna lie, but a lot of people do not wear this. Some people do get this, I believe, but it's not like it's not like everywhere you walk around you smell somebody with this scent. No, and that's why I get a couple, you know, so I can switch up my scents. You know, this is not my everyday scent. You know, just when I want to look, I don't know, you know, it just depends on the occasion. I got different scents for different occasions. You know, you got your morning time fragrances, your regular daytime fragrances, your nighttime, if you going out, you know, if it's a date, a party, all that stuff changes the fragrance of what you want to smell like. You know what I'm saying? Alright, 2 Fly fam, that's it. That wraps up this review for this cologne by Tom Ford. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. If y'all like cologne videos, let me know. I plan on doing a couple more. Let's stay connected on social medias. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. Make sure y'all take care of y'allself. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Roll to 1K. We almost there. 2 Fly fam, we going up. And it's only up from here. The only way for us is up. Make sure y'all take care of y'all self. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Get up with y'all next video. Be smooth.